Microsoft 365 tips most businesses don't take advantage of. If you're paying for Microsoft 365 and only using Outlook, Word, and maybe Excel, you're basically buying an all-you-can-eat buffet and only grabbing the breadsticks. Microsoft 365 is packed with tools that can save your business time, improve teamwork, and make your operations smoother, but most companies barely scratch the surface. Here are a few features you probably already have but aren't using to their full potential. Power Automate makes repetitive tasks disappear. Send an automatic thank you email every time a customer fills out a form. Move email attachments straight to the right SharePoint folder. Get a Teams notification when a key sales lead comes in. You don't have to be a tech wizard to set it up. And once you do, you'll wonder why you didn't start sooner. Teams is more than just a chat. Create channels for specific projects or clients so conversations stay organized. Use the built-in Approvals app to sign off on documents or requests without leaving Teams. Run polls and quick surveys right inside the chat. It's like having your email, file storage, project tracking, and meeting software all in one place. SharePoint is the organized filing cabinet you didn't know you had. Store and organize documents by project, client, or department. Control who can access what, so sensitive files stay private. Make sure everyone is always working on the latest version of a document. No more hunting for final v2 in your downloads folder. OneNote is your digital brain. Keep meeting notes in one place with pictures, links, and even voice recordings. Share notebooks with your team so everyone's on the same page. Search across all your notes instantly, way faster than flipping through paper. Planner keeps projects on track without the complexity. Create boards for different projects. Assign tasks, set deadlines, and track progress visually. Sync with Teams so your last task list is always in view. And these aren't just theoretical benefits. Businesses right here in Northeast Ohio are already putting these tools to work. You're already paying for Microsoft 365, so why not squeeze every bit of value out of it? These tools aren't just nice to have. They can streamline your workflows, keep your team on the same page, and help you get more done without adding more people. The trick is knowing what you have and setting it up in a way that makes sense for your business. To learn more about tailored IT services for your business, contact us today for a free IT assessment. If you have questions, make sure to leave them in the comments below and check out our other videos answering commonly asked questions. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to be notified when we post our new videos.